Addressing this year's Translasyon in Quiapo, Manila, the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA faces the challenge of collecting the garbage left by the participants. According to MMDA Acting Chairman Romando Artes, the agency has already collected up to 20 trucks of waste, but this number is expected to increase as the procession is not yet over.
Kung makikita nyo po, pagkadaan ng prosesyon, may naglilinis pong mga tauhan ng MMDA street sweepers to ensure na pagkalagpas po ng parada o ng prosesyon at na wala na po yung tao ay malinis po yung lugar na dinaanan ng prosesyon.
In addition to waste management, the MMDA has been actively involved in crowd and traffic control, collaborating with the Philippine National Police. Chairman Artes emphasized that the MMDA will also contribute to cleaning the route taken by the Translasyon.
Yes, 850 personnel po ang ating dineploy. Complementary lamang naman po tayo, particularly sa traffic management, crowd control, emergency group para po doon sa mga nagkakaroon ng aksidente, na high blood, ambulance, at yung pong naglilinis.
He assured the public that closed roads will be reopened after the annual gathering, and the MMDA is prepared to assist in regulating traffic flow. Artes further highlighted that the flow of Translasyon was faster this year compared to previous years. Additionally, the MMDA is ready to respond to any emergencies or accidents that may occur during the gathering. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.